Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to find draft in TikTok. First step is open TikTok app in your mobile device. Select the profile icon in the lower right hand corner of the screen. It says me. Tap on draft. Select the draft video. Choosing any suggestion you would like to make, such as comments or viewer option. Change the who can watch the video based on your preference. Click on post at the lower right hand to go live with your video. Tap post. Your video will then go live and your choosing audience will be able to view it usually.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.